Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the surface area. So now I want to show you how to answer. So because this is about x-axis, so we need to use about this integration. The first thing we need to find first the derivative of y with respect to x. So we have this one. So if we do first the derivative, we will have like this. Because we have the square root, so we have number 2 with the square root of 1 plus e to the power of x. Later that we do first the derivative of this one, and now we just have only e to the power of x. Now we can apply the formula in here. So from 0 to number 1, y that is about this one. This one that is about this one. So this one we will have like this. Next, we can do common denominator with number 1. So this one we have number 4 plus number 4e to the power of x. Now we combine with this one, and I will put this one gone here. So if we look carefully, this is about identities. So the square root of this one, we know that from number 0 to number 1, this one always positive. So we can cancel about this one. And we have like this. The square root of number 4, we have number 2. Now, this one, number 2, simplified by this one and this one. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 2, we have x. We have 2x. This one we keep the same. And now we have the final answer. So we have number 2. This one we have e. This one we have 0. This one we have number 1. 2 minus 1 we have number 1. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.